Welcome to our video series where we uncover the power behind words and how they can transform our lives. Today, we're exploring a word that fuels innovation, builds communities, and drives success: collaborate. Collaboration, it's a term we often hear, but where does it come from and why is it so powerful? The word collaborate originates from the Latin collaborare, which means to work together. Its roots are com, meaning with, and laborare, meaning to work. This idea of working together has transcended time and cultures, highlighting our innate human drive to achieve more collectively than individually. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Plato and Aristotle thrived in collaborative environments called symposia, where ideas flowed freely and intellectual growth was a communal effort. To the east, in China, the concept of guanxi plays a crucial role in fostering collaboration. Guanxi, which translates to relationships or connections, emphasizes the importance of building a network of mutually beneficial relationships. This cultural principle underscores how personal and professional success is often rooted in the ability to collaborate and support each other within a trusted network. Majlis is a practice in modern Arabic culture. A majlis, meaning a place of sitting, is a space where community members gather to discuss matters of mutual interest, resolve conflicts, and make decisions collectively. It's a practice that dates back centuries and remains integral to the social fabric of many Arabic countries. The majlis fosters an environment where everyone's voice can be heard, promoting inclusivity and collective wisdom. Let's consider modern examples. The global response to crises like natural disasters and pandemics showcases collaboration at its finest, with nations and organizations coming together to provide aid, share knowledge, and find solutions. Understanding the history and significance of collaboration is inspiring, but how can we bring this into our own lives? Here are 3 practical ways to embody collaboration. 1. Collaborative brainstorming circles. Invite a diverse group of friends, colleagues, or even family members for a collaborative brainstorming session. Use a shared virtual whiteboard or a physical space where everyone can freely add their ideas. Encourage open dialogue and build on each other's thoughts without judgment. Start by setting a common goal or challenge and let the collective creativity flow. 2. Skill swap workshops. Organize a workshop where each participant teaches a skill they excel in and learns a new skill from someone else. This not only fosters mutual respect and appreciation, but also expands your knowledge base. Create a schedule where each session focuses on a different skill, from cooking a traditional dish to learning basic coding. 3. Community improvement projects. Identify a local issue or project and bring together a group of like-minded individuals to tackle it. This could be a community garden, a neighborhood cleanup, or a local fundraiser. Assign roles based on each person's strengths and work collaboratively towards a common goal. Document the process and celebrate the collective achievements. Each of these steps not only enhances your ability to collaborate, but also strengthens your connections and community spirit. To get started, reach out to people in your network, set clear objectives, and embrace the diverse strengths everyone brings to the table. Collaboration isn't just a word, it's a transformative practice that has shaped history and continues to drive our future. By understanding its roots and applying these actionable steps, you can harness the power of collaboration in your own life. As Japanese author Ryunosuke Satoru said, "Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean." As you embark on this journey of collaboration, think about the endless possibilities that open up when we work together. Stay curious, stay connected, and let collaboration light your path to success. Until next time, remember that every step you take with others brings you closer to achieving the extraordinary. What will you create next?